Hello everybody, my name is Victor, I'm from the Lark Branch Library. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make pressed leaves and flowers. So let's get right into it. So let's go over the material. The first thing you're going to need is a book. For me, I tend to use something that's just a scrapbook. Also going to need some parchment paper. Of course, what it is you're going to pretty much flatten and press. For me, I'm going to be using these bougainvillea flowers because they're quite beautiful. And honestly, anything you have that is heavy. So in my case, I'm just going to use a brick. So let's get right into it. This project is honestly as simple as you could imagine. You get a book, and what you're going to do is you're going to put in your parchment paper. This one I've already pre-cut. The reason why you're going to want parchment paper is because a lot of plants have saps, they have the chlorophyll can leak when you're pressing them, and when you do that, what can end up happening is your flowers will end up all wrinkled. They can end up sticking and leaving horrible residue. And it can also end up just kind of washing out the color. That's what this will be for. So next, as easy as can be, you get your flowers and you pick the best ones that you have. For instance, I'll go ahead and pick a small one. And don't put them down the center. It's good to keep them a bit separated. I also like this one over here because you can actually see its internal flowers that are blowing. Go ahead and set those. And then, as you press, you're going to want to position them. Because this one is small and nice and vibrant, it's not going to matter. But this one I would like to see the inner flowers. So go ahead and move these leaves out of the way a little bit. And then I will just close the book. Then once I do that, get my brick. I just place it on top. And now we just wait. The big thing about this is you're not really going to want to mess with it all that much for about 2 to 3 weeks. Because you're going to want the flowers to properly dry. And with the parchment paper, you'll lose less color, but that also depends on the kind of flowers you get. Like if you get these leaves, you can see that they have like different shades of green in them, but if you press them, you can tend to lose that. They'll just kind of become one. But when you press them, they do tend to stay green. So a lot of you may be wondering why you would even want to press plants and flowers to begin with. They could be used as keepsakes, mementos. Once flattened and dried, you could even put them in frames. They do make beautiful gifts. Let's say you go traveling and you see something beautiful. If you see flowers that are already loose, go ahead and take one. But remember, you don't want to go around just picking any flower you find because they're there for everyone to enjoy. And if everyone takes one, you'll end up with a field of just grass. So I really hope you enjoyed this, and I'll be seeing you next time. Share your samples by tagging us at #ConnectWithMPL and #MPLTeens. Thank y'all.